How are we doing, guys? Right. Hammock Camping. I'm out with Keith and Wullie. They're back at camp. I just came a wee wander, do a wee recce. The place where we are now, I've been to already, so I just want to do a wee further recce of the area. I'm in this bit full of Scots pine. Just to see if it's good for a potential camp spot. So aye, come and join us for a good night, a few laughs, and hopefully you get some good footage. Right, how we doing, guys? These are not sunglasses, these are swimming goggles. We're set up with the hammocks in the tent. Keith's over there, I'm there, and Wullie's there.
Wullie's here.
We're going down to the waterfall. They've convinced me to go for a swim, calling me out. So, we're going for it. Look at a towel, I'm just going to go in my boxers. Oh wait, I forgot my fleece. Hold on, I need to go back up. My fleece. I don't have a towel. Right. You know this location, you've been here before with me. But I've brought Wullie and Keith here. And there we go. Keith's just there. Look at that for a view. These have been here before anyway. Oh, oh man. Ah, Jesus. Oh, so slidey. Oh. Oh man! Oh, it's so slidey, I can't put my feet anywhere. Right, hold on, I'll put the camera down. Oh, oh, shit. Oh. 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 I don't know if I got that. Oh, please tell me I got that. That's deep, like. That's deep. Right, that was a good wee swim. Me and Keith are just coming back up. Hopefully Wullie's get the fire started. I put my goggles on just to see what it'd be like underwater, but no, it's a bad idea. It's just pure black. Can't see anything. So we'll see if Wullie's get the fire started. Wullie, get the fire started! Look at him, look! Look at the fire started! Sitting his toad!
Like 24-minute video like that.
Aye? Brilliant, man. That was good, wasn't it?
Ah, it was good, mate.
Ah, man. I was pure shite myself and then... Ah, I loved it. I knew I was going to love it anyway.
I'm just putting the fucking speaker out actually.
Aye. We'll get warmed up. Start getting the firewood prepped, get a wee fire. Dinner and a few beers, eh? Yep. Back to camp. There we go. Well, let's get the fire started. Thank God. Willie's drone went swimming.
Oh, mate.
Lost his drone, it crashed, went in the water.
Absolutely. So it's a fucking submarine, was it?
Aye. Thankfully it didn't go deep, it landed in a wee shallow bit. You could get it quite easy, man, but aye, I got a wee shot of my wee hand hobo reel thing. Didn't catch anything. Keith had a wee shot. But we're no fishermen. A wee shot. A wee shot.
Fucking lassoing fucking cattle, eh?
But we'll get the fire started. Well, I started the fire. Dinner time, few beers. Just enjoy the night, eh?
Starve it, no, definitely, mate.
Yes, man. Lula's alright, Lula's there. Hey. There's all the setups. That's me. Wally's there. Wally's got the view of the waterfall. Morning guys, just up. You guys are down at the river, down at the waterfall, but the midges are really bad, so you need to keep moving. So, brew time, down at the waterfall. Will and Keith are already down there. They're down there already, so. Coffee time, pack up time, tidy up time. Hopefully the midges are not bad down here, but up there you can't stand still, they just swarm you. Brilliant.
Got any coffee bud? So simple, is it? Right guys, that's us, had a coffee. Oh, the midges are bad.
going to pack away now. I'm going to just burn a wee bit of wood, put a wee bit of moss on top of it so it makes smoke. But they're bad. Willie's got his head in it, me and Keith don't. Bad. Don't know if you can see them. Ah, they're hell. So, aye, pack up time. Give them a mouth. Ugh. Right, you'll get a wee time lapse. Right guys, all packed up. My hammock was that tree, this tree. No rubbish left, it's all packed away. Cheers for coming, Willie.
Good morning, mate.
Cheers for coming, Keith. I'll leave a link to the guys' channels. You probably follow them anyway. If you follow me, you follow them definitely. KDM Outdoors and Willie Scottish Outdoors. Give them a wee like and a subscribe. That's it. Catch these for Sachi. See you later. Over and out.